Updating custom fields in bulk can be a quick and simple way to tidy up your CRM data, apply changes to multiple contacts, or make information easily available to your whole team. To add or update custom fields in bulk, select the relevant contacts from the Action Stream or Contacts tab. In the Bulk Updates menu, select More, then Advanced Updates from the drop-down. In this case, let's apply an industry type to the selected contacts. Select the custom field from the list, then choose the type of update you want to make. Here you could apply an industry type of your choosing. You can also choose to overwrite data if it already exists or not. Once applied, you can see the newly updated fields on a contact or organization page. Another useful example of this feature is if you want to change a tag to a custom field. Filter your contacts by the tag you want to change, and once again choose Advanced Updates. Ensure that you first have this tag name set up as a custom field, then apply the necessary changes as before.